we were given 3 molar sodium hydroxide, which is written NaOH, right?
Yeah.
So this was our given, and since we have 3 molar sodium hydroxide, that's 3 moles of sodium hydroxide, which is 39.9 grams for every mole, right? And that comes out to be 119.97 grams. And since it's 3 molar up here, this basically means 3 moles per every liter. So it's 119.97 grams for every 1 liter.
At the bottom where it says 1,000 grams, you add the grams solute in order to get the percent composition, so that would be and since it's part of the solution, so then it'd be grams solute over gram solution, and that would give you a total of 7. And then you multiply by 100 to get 10.7%.
So in the previous problem, the total gram solute was 119.97 grams, and that's the same thing as saying 119,970 milligrams to find out the ppm, and you put that over 1 liter, and to find out the ppm you would get, it would be 119,970. That is the ppm.
To find the density is grams solution, and that is 119.97 times 1,000. And that is over a milliliter solution, which is 1,000, because 1 liter equals 1,000 milliliters. And then your answer would be 1.1197 grams per milliliters.
Alright, so we went on the internet and found that the most saturated solution of sodium hydroxide was 1,110 grams per 100 grams of H2O. So we multiply that by 1 mole and the molar mass to get the amount of moles in 100 grams. So when we get the amount of moles, we'll get get 110 divided by 39.99 equals 27.75 grams in 100 grams. But we need to turn this into liters to get a molarity. And this, to turn it into 1 liter, it's just multiplying it by 10. So you do the same thing to the top. So it's 270. I'm sorry, this mole, 27 moles over liter. Alright? So, if we look at it from that point of view, we say that we have some water that is 27 molar sodium hydroxide. And what we want is 3 molar sodium hydroxide. So what we're gonna, what?
To get our new percentage composition, it is gram solute over gram solution. So our gram solute is 110. And then our solution is 1,000 and 110 plus 1,000, which that is 10. So when you divide that, you'll get 0.52, and then you have to do times 100, and that will give you 52.6%.
So since we have 1,110 grams in 1 liter, that is the same thing as saying you have 1,110,000 and bunch of zeros milligrams in every liter, and that would be 1,110,000 parts per million, which basically means just this much of sodium hydroxide in 1 liter of water.
So for density, on the top you have total gram solution, and on the bottom you have total milliliters solution. And so once you divide this, you get 2.11 grams per milliliter, and that's the density.
So to find how much water we added or took away, you start by using the the dilutions equation and plug in everything you got so far. So we've started off with 3 molarity given to us for 1 liter, so then that equals the same as 27.75 molar times X. So then once multiplying everything out, you get a total of 1.08, and then you subtract that from 1 liter, giving you a total of 892 liters added.